Seriously, what kind of intro was that? I'm sorry, everybody. I'm sorry, everybody. I had to do it.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but I know I'm doing it really, really well.
Hey, everybody, back again for another vlog. Not in Australia. In Australia, it's called a vlog. We're not going to go into the vlog thing. But yeah, so as you saw in the last video, I was working on the Raggy WBX. We got it to finally fly, and today is a brand new day, and I am here to go fly that machine. We're at the field. I'm the first one to show up. I think I'm really only one. Chris, the kid I met on Sunday, he's bringing his aircraft all modified to fit my little FPV pod that I made. And we're just gonna have some fun. I really need to get out of the house. I wanted to go fly, but I didn't want to go fly with a bunch of people. And it's a beautiful day out. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's not windy, it's not cold, and I have the field all to myself with plenty of batteries to rip and a brand new Raggy WBX to fly. Hey, neighbor!
How you doing?
Good! It's been a while.
Oh yeah, I just watched your last video though.
Right on! Well, welcome to the park. Hello.
I've never flown FPV, like literally never.
Wait, really?
Flown it. Never flown FPV.
Well, here you go.
Nice.
We will need a screen to see our screen view, so we will turn this on.
I don't know how to do this.
Is that battery? Just plug it in.
Oh, just okay.
And ta-da, we have FPV.
That looks a lot better than I expected it to. Wow.
It's gonna be so fun.
This is gonna be amazing. How's it look through the camera?
Not bad. First time flying FPV.
A little bit of lag on the FPV.
Crash down through the sky. The afterglow caught my attention. So why don't we collide like stars and constellations?
OMG, that was so cool, dude. There was times where you like stalled out in air and I did this perfect 360 spin around you.
Actually,
and we have footage from that. Oh, I can't wait to edit this much fun.
I slowed down a lot. I did about, say, like 3 passes, full flaps. So, that was fun. But I'm out of battery. I don't have a charger for it, so that kind of sucks.
And that is how it goes.
Welcome to the life of RC. There's never enough.
Cue the epic flight montage.
Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything. All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns. With paper crowns. With paper crowns. With paper crowns. You don't wanna leave. I'm the one to keep. Unknown enemies out of our fortress with paper crowns.
Wham! Welcome back to the workshop. I am off of the field, back at home, relaxing, and we are about to go through what I bring on an average day to the field. Right now we're using a GoPro Hero Session 5 to record this, only because my DSLR battery died again and I forgot to bring another one. So, we have the Big Daddy. This is the camera I use to get all of my sexy footage with. I had this thing back before I got into FPV, and I was really interested in getting into photography back when I was stuck in bed and looking for new hobbies. But just taking photos of the world around me kind of left me a bit unsatisfied. So this went on the shelf as I got into FPV, and then as I got into FPV, this became more and more of a tool that I was using for my videos. And originally I got this for photography, but I noticed that you could upgrade these DSLR cameras with a couple things that makes them really handy for on-the-go photography or videography. We have a Rode camera mic or a Rode mic camera on this. This is the, I don't know. It's a really nice Rode mic. It's less than $100, but it gets me fairly decent audio. And then we have a Joby Gorilla Pod on the bottom. So the design of this Gorilla Pod from Joby is local. And Joby, for those that don't know, there's another company, Joby Aviation, run by the same person, who designs giant multi-rotor aircraft. So a little history tidbit for you on the Gorilla Pod. I have a VR lens. Generally I'm shooting with a Nikon 18 to 55 millimeter lens. Bam. From time to time I do use another lens. This is the Nikon DX 55 to 200 millimeter lens. It's good for zoom shots. It's also really good for like close-up shots that you want a lot of depth of field. So you stand back a good 20 feet, you zoom in all the way, and you focus in on just your target, and it allows you to get a really sexy image where the background's blurred, the foreground is blurred, and just your target is basically displayed. I love this lens, but for everyday filming, I'm using the 15 to 55 millimeter lens. We're back on the DSLR camera. I like using this one better. So going through the bag, in my top slot, I carry most of my camera equipment. We have a GoPro Hero Session 5, another GoPro Hero Session, I believe this is my Session 4. I have my friend's GoPro Hero Session as well. And then I have 2 more of them that I'm going to be repairing in an upcoming video. And then we have this, and this is my new favorite little toy, the Samsung Gear 360 camera. This was on sale for like 75 bucks on Black Friday. Amazingly cool camera, especially if you have a VR headset. So I've been playing around with this a little bit. As you've seen, I probably uploaded a video that you may have watched with me and Paul Moeller, the inventor of the Sky Car. Then we have my preferred headphones. I don't listen to music very often, but when I do, I use headphones. Bam, we have my media card organizer. I have about 10 other micro SD cards on my computer stack being organized right now. We have inflow and outflow of SD cards, so fresh ones and then used ones. And as the fresh ones are used up, the used ones fill up the slots, and we end up filling up a good, well, I've got two 64 cards. I have two 64 gig cards and about 10 32 gig cards. And yeah, that's a lot of footage. So when I'm traveling and I have all these cameras, you have to have a lot of micro SD cards to support that. A pen. Don't forget to ever leave your house without a pen. And then a Sharpie, in case anyone ever asks me to sign anything, which does happen on occasion. So again, a gold Sharpie. A gold Sharpie. That's it as far as the camera equipment goes. Let's show you what I have as far as my flight equipment. My favorite thing lately has been the Mavic Pro from DJI. And I carry this in the slide slot on my backpack. Then we have the Raggy WBX build that I've been flying, and you just saw Maiden while I was chasing some epic warbirds, which was so much fun. My Flying Bear 01 on the back. And then I have another GoPro Karma handle here for stabilized shots that I want to get with my hand. A lot of camera equipment. We haven't even gotten inside of the bag proper yet, right? So inside the bag, bam, we have the Acro-Bee Whoop case. This is the Newbie Drones Acro-Bee kit. I love this thing. I've had students fly it and crash it repeatedly. It holds up to a lot of abuse, and it flies great to this day. I have piles of good batteries on the in slot. I have my transmitter, and then on the bottom slot I have my used batteries. So good batteries, bad batteries, right? Simple system. I have my goggles, Fat Shark HD V2s. I love the field of view on these things. This is the DVR screen. This is great for giving shows to people that have never seen FPV before, and we got used to that today. More batteries, goggle batteries, battery straps, broken propellers, prop wrench tool, and then finally I have spare props in this inner pouch right here. As I've gotten more used to all the different equipment, it really has been kind of awesome to be able to just switch out to a different camera to get a whole different shot. And it's one of those things that really gives you a wide range of ability to be able to do DSLR, to have GoPro, to get a Mavic with the air shots, and gimbal shots with the handheld. That's a lot of production equipment for one bag. A lot of equipment. That's why everything in here is packed like Tetris. There is no free room for anything, and everything has a place. So yeah, that was awesome. Thank you all for watching this video, and yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode of Zoe TV, or whatever the heck I'm gonna call this, a vlog, or just a regular vlog, or just, you know, me and you creating something neat together in this room, united as one. I've been Zoe Effie. Tune in next time. Enjoy the show. No, that's after, before, not, and yeah.